All aboard the Tech News, Games, and Deals caboose. Tech News, Disney Parks lets you visit its castle through Google Street View and 11 locations. Check out Minnie and Mickey's house or the Typhoon Lagoon Water Park and walk around. No ticket required. HyperX Cloud Revolver gets new gunmetal color. The headset boasts 50mm drivers, studio gradeness, steel frame, and immersive audio profiles. MSRP $120. Uber Freight autonomous trucks are now transporting actual cargo in Arizona. Human trucks will still pick up and drop off cargo to ports, where the self-driving trucks take care of the longer portions of the trip. Games.Trapper's Delight leaves early access. Compete in deadly trap building and then race with others to be the first to make it out alive. Single player also has 48 puzzle levels to complete. 15% off for $8.50. Final Fantasy XV Windows Edition and Steam Workshop is live. Modding tools will be available soon, supporting minor changes like costume swaps, and in the future will expand. Bonus Half-Life pack is available until May 1st. The Surge. Start your first day on the job after being knocked out and find robots have malfunctioned and now want to kill you. Deconstruct robots by tearing them apart and upgrade your exoskeleton. 60% off for $16. Also, The Surge 2 was announced for 2019. Northgard, the Viking city builder, leaves early access. With campaign mode, Rig Saga, and online multiplayer, build your settlement on newly discovered continent Northgard. Keep an eye out for the undead or giants. Senran Kagura Peach Beach Splash launched on PC and could be called the next PUBG with water instead of blood. Deals. Newegg has the Cooler Master Dark Mirror case for $30 after rebate. Newegg also has the Toshiba 240GB SSD for $64, while eBay has the HyperX Revolver gaming headset refurb for $50. Links and news sources in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like or subscribe.